As a self-employed person, I just received my outstanding MediSave contributions letter. I'll talk about this a little bit later, but let's break down May's income together. Fun fact, dividends for this year thus far has amounted to a little over $2,500, with May's collection being the highest. Without further ado, let's dive straight into May's Money Diaries. Let's go. As usual, let's start from the smallest and work our way upwards. I have a total of 8 income streams, but if you look at my Notion finance tracker, there's actually 9 categories, and the odd one being classified as others. If any transaction comes in that don't fall under the 8 income streams, I'll park it under here, and in the month of May, I received a little under $15. 2 referrals, one from GXS and Utrip, both of which I do not have an official partnership with, but if any of them is watching this video, I'll gladly welcome it because it's what I use anyway. GXS Bank, I'm parking any excess cash outside of my high-yield savings account in their Boost pocket, as it offers not too bad of an interest rate. Utrip, I use them to withdraw cash overseas because every single month you're allowed to do that for free on up to 400 Singapore dollars. Cashback category where I receive a little under $270. Breaking this down, it's actually the HSBC Everyday Global Savings account that gives me 1% cashback for paying off my credit card bills on Giro, and that was $34.97, and all others came from Trust Bank. I use the Trust Cashback credit card as I traveled, and I received $7.18. For any transaction outside of the preferred category, I'll earn 1% back. If you're looking for a card and you value the best rates that you could get out of your Singapore dollars, then this card would be the one that you want to go with. I have done a lot of videos on the channel talking about them. They are not sponsored as well. I just genuinely love their product. And when you watch that video, people who use my referral code to sign up, I do get a scratch card that could give me minimally $5 and up to $1,000. Not an official partnership with them. As a customer, just head over in-app and you'll find your unique referral code where you can refer your family and friends, and you'll receive the same scratch card as well. I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you who have supported by using my code over here. So that is for the cashback category. Digital products paid me a little over $395. Bulk of the proceeds was from my Notion finance tracker that is available on Coffee. It's the same tracker I use to manage all of my money, from budgeting my expenses to my savings rate. But what I absolutely love is how this tracker integrates into Apple's shortcut feature. So when I'm out and about, I'm able to record an expense immediately, reducing the inertia of doing a month-end consolidation, and it tells me how much I have left in my budget as well. If you're finding a tracker to manage all of your finances in one place, link is down in the description box below. Next is interest income, where I receive a little under $980 for the month of May. It's honestly pretty high as compared to my previous months, but let's break it down. Astra 7 bond paying out 4.125% every year, paid out in the month of May, and I received $450 for investing $22,000 in it. For the past 3 months, I invested $10,000 into Longbridge Cash Plus, a money market fund, and with the interest booster, I received $286.74. This new user sign-up promotion is still ongoing for the month of June. When you use my sign-up link below or this code over here, receive up to 12% interest booster with 6% exclusively from using my sign-up link, and an $18 cash coupon when you deposit $2,000. Longbridge Singapore is a low-cost brokerage platform licensed by MAS and doesn't charge any commission fees for investing in the Singapore, Hong Kong, and US stock market. From now till 30th of June, new users can receive up to $800 worth of sign-up rewards. More details, I'll leave it in the description box below. With interest rates falling, do not waste this opportunity to invest your monies in the money market fund for the interest booster. UOB One savings account, for parking $60,000 in there, I received $167.90, and the Singapore savings bond, I invested $4,000 and received $63.60. Other banks' miscellaneous interest income gave me $11.64. I do shift my cash around depending on what is available in the market. Right now, as of filming this in June, bulk of my cash is in UOB One savings account, Merry Bank, and GXS Bank's Boost pocket. I'll share with you guys how much I received in the month of July when I cover June's money diaries. Google AdSense revenue is the next income stream that I've received $1,129.99 for uploading 4 videos in the month of April after deducting taxes from the US. Dividend income was a total of $1,145.50. I invested into 4 stocks that paid out this amount: DBS, UOB, Keppel, and UOL. A little over $50,000 was invested into all of these stocks Just take note that dividends are not paid out every single month. It's either quarterly or semi-annually. And fun fact, as I was calculating the total dividends I received thus far this year, it was a little over $2,500. And in the month of June, I have another dividend income came in as well. If you can take a guess which investment was it, let me know down in the comments below. Passion project is my income as a financial consultant, and for the month of May, I received a little over $2,600. Sponsorship income was $3,000. Whenever a video gets released, after a month or two, then the money hits our bank account. I prefer relying on affiliate income where I can share with you guys the things that I'm using, and if I do have an agreement with the company, then I will receive a payout out of it. And for the month of May, I received a little over $14,900. If you've watched other people who share transparently, it doesn't have to be Singapore creators, it can be US creators as well. Most of their income comes from sponsored content, brand partnerships, etc. If you guys find it useful for yourself, whatever links down in the description box below, you use it to sign up and we receive some form of kickback. I can't break down to you which brand pays me how much, it's an agreement that we have, but if I could, I would. As usual, I'm as transparent as I've always been. So I hope you appreciate this. So all in all, May's income was $24,497.09. My total savings rate for the month is actually at 76%. My expenses was $5,700 for buying quite a few things and changing some stuff in my room as well. Anyway, circling back, the outstanding MediSave contributions that I have to make is a total of $2,295 by 10 of June 2025. I have two options to do this. Number one, do it in full or do a gyro installment plan over the next 12 months. But here's my thought process. Right now, every savings account is only offering about 2 to 3%, and I've also already maxed out my UOB1 savings account. So topping up in full makes more sense because amounts in MediSave earns us 4 to 5% interest. Whether I'll be doing any top-ups for tax relief, I'm actually about to do a video by July or August because I roughly have a sense of how much I'm making this year and I do want to reduce my taxes. So give me a bit more time. And I also have a video along the lines of how I plan to be a CPF millionaire. Yeah. I figured that I'm just gonna document this whole process with you guys, like how I did my 30 over 1,000 top up last year for tax relief. Since I'm gonna do it anyway, it's close to 10 of June, let's do it together. I'm gonna record this page over here. I need to pay $2,295. So this is the QR code. I scanned it with my UOB account. Alright, I've done it. So anyway, I've done the top up. It should be reflected. And here it is. I have topped up $2,295. Sorry I didn't film the top up on my phone, but anyway, it's done. It doesn't feel that bad this time around as compared to the 30 over 1,000 that I've contributed last year. Maybe because I have used some of my MediSave amounts when I had my spine surgery. I know that I'm moving funds from my bank account to my CPF account, even though it is not something that I can freely use, but I know that when I go into the hospital or when I have to pay for my insurance plans, I can use the MediSave amounts in my account. So that's my thoughts when it comes to CPF. It's still at the end of the day my money, and that is why I recognize it a part of my net worth. I'm done with the top up, and yeah. If you have any questions for today's video, let me know down in the comment section below. If you're interested to discuss a little bit more or want to know a little bit more behind the scenes, I have a Telegram channel which I've started not too long ago that you can join by scanning this QR code over here. I'll catch you guys in my next video and have a great week ahead. Bye bye!